In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find QR code on your Sony A6000. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the QR code on your Sony A6000 is simple. This will allow you to wirelessly send any pictures that you have in storage to a smartphone, and you can use it in conjunction with the Imaging Edge mobile device or app. To do this, first, go into the settings of the camera and access the network tab. So it is either going to be labeled as network or you will see it by this icon here. When you go into network on the first option, send to smartphone, you will be able to locate the QR code. So choose send to smartphone and then select on smartphone. By doing this, you will be presented with the QR code, so all that you have to do now is scan this. As you can see, what they have to say is operate the smartphone to scan the QR code with Imaging Edge Mobile. So instead of using your camera, it is recommended to download the Imaging Edge mobile application, and when you open it up, the very first option is going to be scan NFC/QR code of the camera. And now you point your smartphone's camera into this QR code. By doing this, it is going to be scanned and the camera will be properly linked to the Imaging Edge mobile app, allowing you to send photos or even do remote shootings. It is extremely simple, and this will work not only for the A6000 but any of the other A models or different models altogether. It is simple, and the Imaging Edge mobile application gives you plenty of options regarding your camera. You can also choose other functions related to sending to a smartphone or a computer, and even control using your smartphone. So choose any of these and the QR code is going to be presented here. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have the latest version of the app, restart your camera and your mobile device, and you can also try connecting it using a Wi-Fi network that it creates. With all of that said, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. This is what I saw when I checked the channel metrics the other day. 83% of you are not subscribed. So please, if you subscribe, you can help us bring you the most up-to-date, convenient solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.